The first portion when it comes to LinkedIn, what you want to be conscious of is your profile. So I truly believe that in the 21st century, currently, that LinkedIn is the number one platform to apply for jobs on. You can message directly with recruiters, you can have a full profile, you can make posts. There is not another platform out there that has all of the capabilities that LinkedIn does. And we're going to dissect all of that and help you position properly so that when you do the work on LinkedIn to go out and find a job, that you aren't being disregarded by or ignored by recruiters or hiring managers because your profile and your content within that profile is not set up properly. So let's start here by looking at a few examples of some past students that have gone through the interview course, that have worked with us, that have gone and gone on to get jobs using the skill sets and using the tactics that we've gone through. So one of the first people that we'll look at is Zachary. So Zachary is actually a past student. He's gone through the course. He's been actually a part of the Agile coach team as well. So Zachary is someone here. So if we look at the first component, when you come to somebody's profile, the first thing that you're going to notice is their screenshot or their headshot. And so Zach's headshot here is actually really great. It's professional. It's, you can see his face. It's not a bunch of weird cropping. It has good lighting. And, when you look at it, you can tell that it's professional. You don't need some, crazy, professionally done in a studio. I actually believe Zach went outside, found a good backdrop with his sister who has a nice camera, and she took this picture. So you can tell here that he obviously went the extra mile, is wearing a nice collared shirt. And it gives a level of professionalism for when a recruiter stops on your profile or somebody stops on your profile, that they know that there's a human behind there. You can actually go into settings within LinkedIn, and one thing you want to be conscious of is you want to ensure that it is set up so that you can have second and third connections see your profile picture. Otherwise, it'll just be an avatar with a gray outline. So that's really the first thing is the profile picture. And then the second is your tagline right here. So you can see Zach, it's clear that he works as a business analyst. He's in IC Agile, that's a certification, and he also creates content as well. So there's a few different things that he's communicating through that, but if he's applying for a business analyst job or he reaches out to a business analyst recruiter, having that right in the headline is fantastic because they'll see that. There's no question about it, and it's very clear and concise, and now he has a very relevant certification to the marketplace that he uses right on his profile. One other piece of real estate is the backdrop right here. So he is Zachary Hust, grow in little bits. Personal development is a big component for Zach. So that's obviously another aspect that he's playing off of that you can use to upload right here. We'll look at one other one. We'll go to Tador. This is actually somebody that we recently just gave a fair amount of feedback to help with his profile. So you can see here that, once again, just a very solid profile. You can see where he's currently working. You can see the college that he went to. Very clear headshot, head on, nice grayed out background, and very clear when you come to his profile that you can tell the human that you're interacting with. So you have his name, where he's located, Scrum Master, Business Analyst, Owner. So very, very clear what Tador does when it comes to the marketplace and when he's applying for jobs. So positioning yourself in a way that you have a professional profile picture, you utilize the resource of your background picture. Tador's is great here. He's also saying, there's some additional platforms in which you can connect with him on. And once again, he also reiterates that he is a business analyst there. And then he has his tagline that's very clear and concise. So what that does is it now creates a level of professionalism. It has a very, very clean look to it. And when he's applying for jobs, he's not going to be overlooked because of a bad profile. So that's really step one. Have a very clear profile picture, use your background photo, and then have a very clear headline associated with what you do.